In this video, we're going to be going over the future value formula. You might have seen this before as the compound interest formula. Let's start by defining it for some variables. FV, of course, stands for future value. Present value is the principal amount, and that's going to be PV. We're going to open our parentheses, put the 1 in, and add our interest rate divided by the number of compounding periods in a year. And then we're going to raise that to the number of compounding periods, K, times T, which is the number of years the investment is going to last. Let's start out by solving the formula with a few simple numbers. We're going to set FV equal to the principal, which we're going to say is $1,000. And we're going to open our parentheses and say that our interest rate is 6% and that it's going to be compounded once every month and going to be a 5-year investment. And like any other mathematical expression, we're going to solve from the inside of the parentheses out, and we're going to find our monthly periodic interest rate, which is going to be about half of a percentage point. And there are going to be 16 compounding periods total over the course of this investment. So we're going to get the total growth in this next step, and remember to carry down every one of your terms, especially when you're working with ones that are less friendly than this $1,000. We're going to see that it's going to grow about 34.8% over the course of investment. Remember that for this formula, you'll need to use the decimal interest rate and not the percent interest rate, otherwise you're going to get a way bigger number. And we're going to get a final result of $1,348 at the end of this investment and 85 cents. Thank you for watching.